Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Want crisp high-res images from Canva? I'll show you exactly how it's done. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter your preferred dimensions to start your project with any size needed. Click the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Scroll through the available options or use the search bar to find an image or photo that fits your project. You can also browse the Photos section for more choices. Select your preferred image to add it to your design. In Google, search for any image you want to use. Once you find a suitable image, right-click on it and select Copy. Then, paste the copied image directly into your design project. Select the butterfly image, right-click and choose Copy Image. Next, go to your project space, click where you want it, and press Paste to insert. To increase the resolution of this image, first duplicate it. Select the image, right-click, and choose Duplicate. This ensures you have a backup before making changes to the original design or its resolution. Click Edit to begin. Next, locate the Upscaler tool in the toolbar. Select the Upscaler by clicking on it. Now, click the Upscale button to enhance your image. The tool will process the image automatically. You should now see the improved version, with increased quality and sharpness. Compare the before and after to notice the difference achieved by using the Upscaler tool. To increase the resolution of your image, open it in your preferred software. Look for the option to adjust or enhance resolution. Alternatively, you can use a dedicated app designed specifically for improving image quality and boosting resolution automatically. Type Image Scaler into the search bar and press the Enter key. To duplicate the process, go to the top of your screen where you see the available tools. Select the Image Upscaler option to begin. Click on the Image Upscaler button. This will allow you to access the upscaling feature and start the process over, just like before. The Image Upscaler feature is no longer available. Instead, use the alternative upscale method provided here. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your image, choose your desired settings, and begin the upscaling process. Click the Share button, then select Download to save your file. For better quality, increase the size before downloading. Adjusting the size first ensures your downloaded file maintains optimal resolution and clarity. You've learned how to boost your image resolution in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more quick design tips.